In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete custom fields in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Custom fields are great when you need to capture unique information, but over time they can pile up, confuse your team, or make reports messy. If a field is no longer useful, deleting it helps keep your CRM clean and focused. Before we start, just a quick note. You'll typically need the appropriate permissions to manage company settings. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need an admin to help. First, head to the top right corner of your Pipedrive screen and click your profile icon. That opens a menu where you'll find the option you need next. Choose Company Settings to access the area where all your account-wide configurations live. This is where data structures like custom fields are managed, so you're in the right place. On the left side, look for the section called Data Fields. Click that to see all the fields configured across your account. This page organizes fields by the type of item they belong to, which keeps things tidy and makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Now, select the entity that contains the custom field you want to remove. That might be leads or deals if the field is tied to your sales pipeline, person if it's about a contact, or organization if it's tied to a company record. Choosing the correct entity is important because fields are specific to where they were created. If you don't see the field where you expect it, double-check whether it belongs to a different entity type. Once you're in the right list, find the exact custom field you want to delete. Hover over it and click the 3 dots icon to open the Actions menu, then choose Delete. Pipedrive will usually ask you to confirm, since this removes the field from your system and clears any value stored in that field on your records. Take a moment to make sure you're deleting the right one, especially if the field appears in filters, views, or reports your team uses. When you're confident, confirm the deletion, and the field will be removed. That's all it takes. You've cleaned up your workspace and reduced clutter in just a few clicks. As a best practice, communicate changes like this with your team, and consider naming conventions that make fields easy to recognize in the future. If you run into permission issues or can't find the field, check with your account administrator for access. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, keep your Pipedrive tidy by reviewing unused fields regularly, and you'll keep your data clear, consistent, and easy to work with.